Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Tech Reviews. On this channel we look at tech, mobile accessories and gadgets, and we're bringing you another case review today, this time from Tudia. I'm actually very familiar with the name, but I've actually never used their cases before, so thank you very much to Tudia. They did send me these cases free of cost, but my review here is not influenced in any way at all. So yeah, let's get into these. Basically, they sent me out cases for the iPhone 10, OnePlus 5T, the Razer phone, and the Pixel 2. We're going to go through all of them here and show you what's involved and the different designs here and whatnot. So let's start off with the OnePlus 5T up here. For the OnePlus 5T, Tudia sent me the Lexicon case and the Merge case here. So let's get into it now. Tudia doesn't use any sort of fancy packaging or anything like that. I will leave links down in the description there so you can pick them up for yourself. But this is how they reduce the cost for you guys so they don't cost an arm and a leg. The Lexington case here, as you can see, is just a clear case. You can go ahead and pop out this cardboard here. Grab our phone. You always want to go buttons first, so we'll pop in right here, down the corners. And just like that, I'm not going to take off this plastic here, but basically you get the see-through effect here. Of course, you get your cutout for your fingerprint. Snappy buttons here. You can still hit your mute button if you need to. Volume rocking up and down. Of course, you have access to all ports and everything. Looks good. They put a bit of a bumper here, a bit of a raised edge all the way around, so when you put the phone flat down, not going to be interfered at all or scratch up on the screen. And that looks good. If you're looking for just a basic clear case, really minimal, that's a good way to go. The other case they sent me for the OnePlus 5T is the Merge case. A little more bulkier. Obviously, it's going to offer you a little more protection here. As you can see, we have some air gaps and air spaces on the inside here to help for impact. Let's go ahead and pop that in there. Again, not too bulky at all. Feels good. It's got this nice soft touch type plastic feel. Not going to pick up any fingerprints, which is nice. Again, access to all ports. You can see that the camera here, pop that down. You can see the camera here is raised down there, so it's not going to be get in trouble or get scratched up or anything like that. Of course, access to all ports and snappy buttons. Feels good. There we go. Let's take this off and we'll move on to the next phone. The next phone cases we're going to look at here are for the Razer phone. Again, the same models as we had before. We've got the Merge and the Lexington case there, so we'll go ahead and pop this on. This is the Merge case right here. I'm going to go ahead and pop this in. And there you go. That's for the Razer phone. Same as before. Camera is all the way down there. You have access. Actually, this is quite nice. They put a nice groove right here for your thumb for the fingerprint reader on the Razer phone. Actually, it makes it quite easy to get to that. Nice touch right there. Again, access to all ports. Snappy buttons. Looks good. I actually like the look of that. Not going to pick up any fingerprints or anything like that. It's got a nice matte look and feel on it. And here's the clear case right here. I'm going to go ahead and pop this in. Real simple. Again, it's got that nice groove here for the for your fingerprint. And again, access to all ports, raised up. Nice and simple. You're going to get clear all the way through there so you can see the Razer logo. There's a film on here that does need to be taken off. I'll go ahead and take that off probably a little bit later. The only case they sent me for the Pixel 2 here is the Merge case here. It does come in different colors. This is like kind of a mint color here. Again, it's a bit of a bumper case here. It's going to be a little bit better for a little more impact and whatnot. So go ahead and pop in the phone here. Real simple. Again, raised edges all the way around, as you can see here. Easy access to the fingerprint reader. Let me just point out to manufacturers, if you're watching this, don't do just a cutout. Do what Tudia has done here and other manufacturers where our fingers naturally slope down. So it's easy for us to hit that fingerprint. That's a nice touch. I've seen that from a lot of manufacturers. So please keep on doing that. Don't just be lazy and put a hole. Do a slope. Do what Tudia does. Again, we have our camera right here that is protected because it's down low there. Access to all ports and snappy buttons. Feels good. This is the TAM case for the iPhone 10. As you can see here, matte finish, real basic kind of a TPU shocker case, really thin, really flexible. This is not a real iPhone 10, but it is the same form factor. So you kind of get the idea here. You can see that the camera is protected. Again, we got raised edges all along. All cutouts and everything like that match up. Snappy buttons, access to your mute button. And that looks really good. And this is the last case from Tudia I want to show you guys. It's called the Glost case, Glost. And basically, it's on the premium end here. We have a 9H hard glass on the back here, so you still get that glass feel from the iPhone 10, but on your case. We got raised edges, we have a shock grip, looks really, really nice. So let's go ahead and pop that in there and see what it looks like. Really, really sharp. Again, you can see your Apple logo here. You can see a bit of a color of the phone. You can see there's a little bit of a raise right there, so the camera is protected. Again, raised lip all the way around, so when you put on a flat surface, where you go. And that looks and feels really good. That's definitely different, putting glass on top of a phone here again. So there you guys go. There's a quick look at some Tudia cases here. I'll leave a link down below so you can pick up one for yourself. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you guys like the content here, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.